So question on that open source side. At some point, you were part of a discussion on founding Appsmith or creating Appsmith at the beginning. Okay. And maybe you were at a cafe, maybe you were sitting around, drinking coffee or tea with someone and, we have this idea. Was there any dissension at that point that this is going to be open source or not? Or was there any discussion, or was it just like you and everyone else involved in that discussion was like, it's open source, it's done?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think it didn't start off as open source when we were thinking about it. We thought about, should it be open source? Should it be in a closed source? Should it be a self-hosted platform? Should it be a cloud-hosted platform? I think the discussion went, it began as, hey, let's try to build something that's going to be like really useful for developers. And the one thing that never changed through the journey was that it is going to be engineering focused. It is going to be for developers and engineering teams. And I think the open source angle and the self-hosted angle, all of that began to fall into place as we kind of discovered, our users a lot better. We began to understand their use cases. We began to understand the kind of data critical needs that they had. And I think those were kind of like some of the tipping points that eventually got us to think that, okay, we do kind of need it to be open source to actually get into the hands of developers. And the other thing that actually sparked us was that we realized that this was such a broad platform. Honestly, when we were planning to build it, we drastically underestimated the scope of what we were actually building. We thought that, hey, it's going to be a simple platform. It's going to have all these functionalities, but
we never
platform.
We never overestimate, right?
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah. And I think that just kind of flipped the switch in our head that this is not a platform that you can build alone. This is a platform that needs other developers out there helping you add more widgets, add more integrations, add more themes, be able to customize it, be able to give you great feedback on what is a great developer experience for a platform like this, because we were building the platform for the majority of developers out there. And all of those things eventually culminated into this decision that, hey, open source is a no-brainer for this project.